Welcome back everyone to another tutorial, and at this time we take a look at how you can fix the situation when iPhone will not turn off. Well, there are more reasons why it's happening. It might be like stuck in simply on a website or anywhere else. But in order to turn it off and restart it again, if anything fails, you have to perform what's called force reset. So you don't actually delete anything with it, but it's when you perform and force the iPhone to turn off and then turn back on. And you do it when you perform a sequence of pressing the volume up, volume down, and then holding down on the power button. So it would look like this. So again, volume up, down, and holding down on the button on the right side. As you can see, I'm still holding the button pressed. I just wait for the screen to go black like this. It is still pressed. I'm still holding on to that power button. And now once the Apple logo appears, I can lift my finger and I essentially forced the iPhone to restart itself. So if there was any problem with it, if for example the screen didn't respond to touch or anything else, this is what you can do to get it back to the normal state. Obviously, this is going to restart the iPhone again, but after this, it should work fine, right? So now, if you would want to just turn off the device like this, it should work. It should react to your touch and basically get the job done. So I hope it helped. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more quick tips and videos like this one, and I'll see you later in the next uploads.